Hello friends, I'm Mrs. Anuradha Sekhar, an associate professor from Dr. BMN College of Home Science. Today we are going to talk about nutritional anemia, a problem which is never being ending from the past so many years that we have been struggling to remove it. India is fast progressing, but when you look at the kind of statistics which come about anemia and the rampant amount of anemia which is there in the it could be mild, moderate, severe, and when we generally look at even from the college point of view, some of the students who go and give their blood in the blood banks are not even eligible to even participate in these kind of things. So when we have students who are sitting in front of us and trying to understand nutrition, they themselves need a lot of work put in to make them a little more aware of what they are right now. So there is a need for all of us as nutritionists and as professors in various colleges to look at this need of addressing what is the future of this country. When you look at this country, I think the women and the vulnerable group which we are going to be the ones who are going to be producing tomorrow and giving the next set of population. And if that population is not very effective to deal with their own problems, then what kind of progress can India make in this juncture? So if India wants to make a big progress, though as NIN and all the national institutes are working at eradicating anemia from the society through their double fortified salt or probably by fortification of rice and so many other issues which have come in. But I've seen some sprinklers had come in, iron sprinklers have come in, and so many other kind of incentives have been started. But you still see a lot of girls suffering from this, and this takes a toll not only on the various things that anemia basically comes up with, but it also makes their reproductive health very, very sad. And this needs to be addressed. And as a nutritionist and as a professor from home science colleges, I would request all of us that we have made a database for so many recipes which are just lying redundant in our libraries. This needs to be collected. It needs to be collected and made sure that it reaches to the masses, because there are so many food products that we have tried, tested, and sometimes they even come out to be very, very effective, because many of us have done intervention programs, and this needs our looking into and probably making a dent in the society by removing this nutritional anemia. I'm only talking about iron deficiency. There are so many other anemias possibly, but I am trying to give a thought process that the databases that every home science college has needs to be collected and looked at, and probably even help from the individualistic point of view, though the nation is definitely struggling to remove this iron deficiency from the community. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.